This video presents a serious and intense legal proceeding involving Tanya Ortega, where the focus is on accountability and the consequences of repeated mistakes. What starts as a review of her past case quickly turns into a major turning point in her life. After initially denying a violation, she admits to breaking the conditions she was given, leading to a significant prison sentence. The situation becomes even more serious when a new theft charge is addressed shortly after, showing a pattern of behavior that ultimately impacts her future. Throughout the hearing, the tone remains firm and direct, emphasizing personal responsibility and the importance of making better choices. The decisions made highlight how quickly situations can escalate when opportunities for second chances are not taken seriously. It serves as a powerful reminder that actions have consequences, and that every decision can shape the direction of someone's life.
I believe this was heard actually, and she pled not true.
So Judge, that,
She did. All right.
sorry, Judge.
So do you have witnesses?
Yes, Judge.
All right.
So judges, we are, with the court's permission, asking to change her plea of not true to true. When I was here last time on this case, Judge, I was just appointed to the MTR. She has a new number 1 that I was not appointed to. At the time that we were here, that was the only allegation against her. And so Judge Angelini was sitting on the bench. He agreed to appoint me to the number 1 and give me 10 days to prepare, but also asked that she enter her plea at that time of not true. And so that is what we did, Judge, with potentially the expectation that she could come forward today and change her plea to true, which she has the intention of doing, as well as pleading to her new case as well.
All right. So, are you asking to withdraw your plea of not true?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, State, you may proceed.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 8th day of August 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Tanya S. Ortega committed the offense of theft of materials, aluminum, bronze, copper, brass, less than 20,000 in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
And State, do you waive other violations?
Yes, Your Honor, state waives the remaining violations.
Any objections to the waiver?
No objections, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to life in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1? Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, the proposed agreement is to revoke revoke community supervision, enter an adjudication of guilt, sentence 5 years to do, and then run concurrent with the new theft offense.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
And defense, is this the agreement you're asking the court to follow?
Yes, Judge, we are.
Has she done anything on probation?
She has, Your Honor. She was employed working as a welder for, I believe it was not to be on a plant per se, but maybe one of their subsidiaries, Judge. I believe she had many submissions as far as drug tests. However, she did have a few missed, but she was not testing positive. She had recently gotten out of prison, and she also has some pending case in Uvalde County, Judge. She was on GPS monitor for a long time out of her probation for this court. She was making payments towards that. She was also on pretrial at Uvalde County, having to make payments towards that. She got into a position, I think, Judge, where she was financially unstable, leading to the theft charge that's before you now. Ms. Ortega has not tested positive, and I don't believe the theft was drug related, Judge, as far as like trying to make money to pay for drugs. I think it was something where she was trying to have money to pay for rent and so on, continuing her on probation, but given everything that was going on in her cases, being also on a parole hold, this was something we came to an agreement with the state for. We are asking you to follow it.
All right. So the underlying facts of the case that she's on deferred adjudication for are not great.
Yes, Judge.
So this is what the court is going to do. The court is finding violation of condition number one true. The court is going to find you guilty, revoke. The court is going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There's to be no contact with Michelle Young. No residing with minors.
When Your Honor can, I have one more request regarding this case. So she does have parole hold out of Bell County. Respecting the court's sentence, we would ask that if the court would consider running that case concurrent with this case, and I do have the cause number on that.
All right, concurrent with,
Bell County case number FR 81006.
006.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and what the court will say is with regards to that cause number, she will only receive credit if there was a warrant issued in this case and if she was in custody for the Bell County matter.
Okay, Judge.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let me put this in the system, then we'll move on to the next matter. All right, next we're moving on to the 2025 CR 011411. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge, I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery.
Thank you, Judge. I didn't sign it. Okay.
As the video comes to an end, the situation leaves a strong and lasting message about the impact of personal choices. What started as an opportunity to stay on the right path ultimately turned into a life-changing moment due to repeated mistakes. The outcome shows how quickly things can spiral when responsibilities are ignored and chances for improvement are not taken seriously. The final moments carry a serious tone, reminding viewers that every decision matters and can shape the future in ways that are not always reversible. It highlights the importance of discipline, accountability, and learning from past actions. Overall, it's a powerful closing that encourages reflection and serves as a warning about the consequences of continuing down the wrong path.